Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come on now. Nah, we ain't trying. I keep telling you, man, we go get there. One way or another, we go get there.
Yes, sir. So in this video, we had that weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That weekly
sir.
heat.
That weekly heat. Hey, y'all go ahead and check us out. Hey, we posting it. It's just once a week. Once a week. Hey, once a week, we giving you that what? Weekly heat. So what we
Yes,
got on
sir.
that?
So as of right now, well, at least two shoes, but they're coming out the same day. Starting off on the 13th of October, we do have the Jordan 1 Low OG. This is a University Red. Comes with a price point of $140. This is a mainly all white shoe with that red check mark. It does have that red sole in the back. It does feature that red hits in the OG logo in the back. I wish they would have came out with these maybe in the summertime or spring.
Hey, my
Yeah.
brother, I'm glad you said it. I'm glad you said it. I'm thinking the same thing. And we never agree a lot, but we agree on that one.
Yes, sir. So as for me, I don't need these in my collection, so it's a drop for me. How about you, my brother?
Hey, you know what? I am a ones fan. And I'm liking them lows. I don't even have a pair. And once I do
Uh-oh.
get a pair, yeah, because I will get a pair because those are some nice shoes. Because I'm a one fan, but mines are all high top. So my thing is, that asking price for it,
Mm-hmm.
140. And then like you saying, it is going into the winter here soon. So when will we wear those? Them
Say
nice
next year, I
shoes.
guess.
Yeah, the thing is where the selling price is. Are you trying to break even where it makes sense? But to make a long story short, hey, yes,
Ooh,
thumbs
you
down.
dropping them.
Yeah, I'm dropping
So
them.
let
I'm
us know in the
dropping them.
comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Are you rocking them or dropping them? We both, hey, agree. Woo. We don't do that a lot. We dropping those.
So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
Hey, on the same date, we got those
Uh-oh.
Travis. Yes, the same date. They dropping two, right? But here's the kicker though. They dropping those Travis Scott, right? Ones, lows, okay? Which I'm okay. I get it. I get it. Because y'all dropping two shoes that on the same date, right? And they both low. But here's the kicker though. It's a golf shoe. Yes, it's a golf shoe. Yes. Okay. If you don't remember, and if you don't remember, hey, check out that video right there, right? And I talked about golfing, right? And I couldn't see
Mm-hmm.
you golf, right? In some high tops.
Mm-hmm.
And you heard it first from the sneakerhead bro. And if you didn't, drop a comment down below because I can shoot you that video. Hey, I just didn't say it once. I said it twice, right? Because they dropped plenty of low top and they coming out with those. So make a long story short, they going for 170. They listen to us because they doing it. I'm seeing in what they doing. But here's the
Mm-hmm.
kicker though. They don't even give us a thumbs up. They don't even give us a thumbs up. And we giving them some content because y'all doing it. Y'all doing it. So in saying all that, hey, I'm giving that a thumbs up. Hey, I appreciate y'all doing what y'all doing. Hey, for those golfers out there, hey, y'all heard it first from the sneakerhead bro. Get y'all out of them high top and get us some low tops. Hey, I'm rocking those. What about you, my
Yes,
brother?
sir. I'm rocking those too. Even though this is a golf shoe, I will be going for these. Let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? This is a highly anticipated pair. Travis
Mm-hmm.
Scott lows, of course. These are hard to get. And I do not think these will be easy at all. But
Mm.
only these are probably going for high resale if I don't get them right. Because you know what happened to them Travis Scott Air Force Ones.
Hey, got him.
And if you don't know, check out that video right there.
Hey, got him. Right, right. But you know what? To piggyback off of that, if you look at that color, what color is that giving you? If you look at the seasons.
I mean, it's kind of springy. I mean, but I'm just trying to rock them because they Travis Scott, and I haven't got any lows for retail. So if
Yeah,
I can get these for retail, I mean, these will probably easily go for $400 easily. But
yeah.
I don't
But
want to pay
here's the
that
kicker though.
resale.
I don't see spring with them. I see fall. That's an olive. That's an
Okay.
olive color. You see what I'm saying? That's what I see. The leaves fading away. That's what I see with them.
So let us know in the comments, Heads, is what do you think this is a fall shoe or a spring and summer shoe? My bro said it looks like a fall shoe to him. I'm saying it's like more like a spring shoe. I guess it depends on what side you look at it, because looking at one side with the backwards swoosh, it does have that black swoosh, that could be the fall side. The inside has a white swoosh, and it looks like the shoe is predominantly white on one side, and then the other side where it has that black hit turns into fall. So maybe the seasons are changing. That's what the shoe trying to represent, change of the season.
Going into spring, summer, fall.
This has the typical Cactus Jack branding on it. On the back, it does feature that lime green hits. And on the outside, the inner side, it does feature that Cactus Jack logo that we all like. And right now, I can't tell if this shoe does come with extra laces or not, but it is at a price of $170. We hope that, they do, but you hit on these, it's probably easily $400 shoe. So good luck to y'all sneakerheads.
Hey, if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.